Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to be unboxing two products that were sent to us by Dukwin. This is already the second time that we have collaborated with this brand, and there are a few things that I really like about them. First of all, the two products are going to be watch winder, so for 3 watches, that also features a fingerprint, and also a vegan leather watch roll, which is going to be for only 1 watch. Now, the first thing that I really like about this brand is the packaging. So far we have collaborated with many brands out there, and the first thing that I love about them is the packaging that they use for all of their products. So everything comes in very nicely packaged. As you can see, this is very well protected, and for reference they also used 2 boxes for this package. So I really like the fact that they use 2 boxes when shipping their watch winders. This is going to ensure even more protection for their products. Inside the watch box you are going to also find a few extra things. So we have the remote, another thing which I am unsure what it is. Here we have a brush for your watches. Then we have the watch manual, I believe, with all of their winders and how to use them, how to use the fingerprint, and also how each and one of their functions work, how to use them, and what each and one of these signs or digital displays means. And here we have another box which is going to be for the power outlet. And now we are going to be unboxing it. So this is some extra protection that they use, and here also everything that they use in order to make sure that your product arrives without any scratches. Once again, some extra packaging here as well. So guys, in order to open it, you have to plug it in, and then also to record or to register your first fingerprint. And then I'm going to open it from right here, and voila, this is how the watch winder looks. So we have 3 main slots for the automatic watches in order to wind them. Here we also have the watch roll that they sent to us. So this is going to be the vegan leather watch roll. This is going to be the model for only 1 watch. I also have the model for 3 watches. I'm also going to go more in depth with the watch roll after reviewing the watch winder. As I mentioned, the 3 slots for the automatic watches. Then we have some 4 extra slots for your watches. So this is going to be where you can actually display them. We have a white LED light. Then we have here the main screen, which is going to be with touch screen. And from here I can operate all 3 watch winders individually. So I can select the first one, the second one, I can hit play or only start the second one, and I can choose the rotation. Maybe I want it to go in the opposite direction, and as you can see, it is going to start working. And maybe I want the first one to go clockwise while this one is going counterclockwise, and maybe here I do not have any watch, and then I do not want it for I don't want it to spin, and that is why it is not, let's say, going right now. And then I can stop the other one as well. And lastly, here we have a drawer which is going to be for your jewelry. Here we have a few places where you can put your rings, your earrings. You can even use this as a couple, so both men and women. Here you can use these dividers in order to make, let's say, a few extra separate drawers for your extra watches or for your jewelry. So I'm going to insert some watches and also some pieces of jewelry, and then I'm going to show you the final result, and also how to use the fingerprint and a few extra features that this watch winder has. So guys, this is how you open it up using the fingerprint, and bam. So guys, this is how the watch winder looks with 3 watches placed inside the 3 slots for the watch winders. And then we have 4 extra watches. These are going to be my, let's say, non-automatic watches. We have a mechanical one and 3 quartz watches. Here I have the extra storage, as you can see, for jewelry, for my wife's jewelry, for cufflinks, some extra watches, some leather straps for my watches. And now let's also see how this is going to work. I can also select all of them, so I can either go with one or I can select all of them at the same time, and then I can hit play. All three watches are going to wind in the same direction. So as you can see here, I have clockwise, and here we have the number of rotations. So this is going to work in between 300 and 2000 and 3000 rotations per day, and it is going to be very easy in order to adjust them, as you can see, and then the watches are going to continue to keep on winding. Also, we have the light features, which is going to be from nothing up to maximum, intermediate, and then the smallest one. And we also have here in the top left corner, we have 3 lines. This is going to be the maximum, 2 lines, intermediate, and then the smallest one. And now everything is going to be off. And in case I do not want to select all of them, I can pause and then I can select which one I want to. And now guys, let's do another test. Let's presume that I do not want to go with all of them. I want to go only for my Rolex automatic. Let's do 800 rotations per day. I'm going to hit play, and then I can also close the winder, and it is going to keep on winding it. So it is going to divide those 800 rotations. It is going to continue working, then it's going to stop, resume, and so on, and it is going to hit that 800 rotations per day. And in case you want to pick out your watches from here, this is how you do it. Put the Seiko Panda on your wrist, and voila. Now something to know is that these can easily be removed, and in case you have other watch winders from Dukwin, you can interchange those. So these are going to be the watch holders from 2 different Dukwin watch winders. This is going to be from this exact one, and this is going to be from a different one. So the other model can accommodate smaller wrists. As you can see, this one still has a little bit of room, whereas this one is going to accommodate, in my opinion, watches in between or starting from 170 millimeters or 6.77 inches. As you can see, it can still hold the watch, but it is very, let's say, fully stretched. And as I mentioned, in case you have more winders from them, you can interchange them, which is something really cool. But you have to keep in mind that for this particular model, you need to have a wrist size of at least 6.5 inches when it comes to bracelets in order to put them on these watch winders. Also, here it is going to be very easy in order to also put them loose. So in case you have bracelets, you do not need to worry about that. And in case you want to place even more watches, you can store them, let's say, in the back of these 4. And I really like the fact that you have a mirror there. And we also have a small display glass right here as well, so you could see your watches from up as well. I'm also going to add some extra footage at night in order to show you how the light looks, and I'm going to insert it on top of this video. So guys, this is the watch winder, and now the second product that was sent to us by Dukwin is going to be their one watch roll. This is going to be used for traveling when it comes to let's say storing and safely traveling with your watches. This is going to be for one watch. We have the logo here on the inside, and also here where you are going to open it up. Here you can store only one watch, and as you can see, it is going to be very easy to take out and put it back in. We have this very nice velvet interior, which is going to be very good for protecting your watches while traveling. We have this vegan leather on the outside, also the black stitching, and I really like that it is going to be very easy to put your watch in and then to take it out. And for opening and closing, we have this snap button, which is going to be very easy. Also, in the meantime, you can see that the watch winder resumed winding the Rolex automatic watch. So that is something really cool. It is going to work a little, it is going to rotate the watch, and then it's going to stop, pause, then it is going to resume. So this is going to be something really interesting. In my opinion, guys, these are some very nice and premium products. If you are a watch collector, a watch enthusiast, this is very nice in order to have a little bit of functionality for your watches. So if you have automatic watches, this is going to be very useful. And also, in my opinion, the main thing is going to be to display your watches, your jewelry, and also to store them. The fingerprint sensor can store up to 20 fingerprints. So they say that you have 2 administrators and 18 other users. So guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to both of these products, both the watch winder and the watch roll. I'm also going to leave a discount code that you can use in order to get a discount for these products. So make sure to check out the coupon code in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out their products and their website, link in the description box below. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe, it really means a lot. So see you on the next one.